Hey Ryan, thanks for sending us in your question to SnapMath. Looks like we need to find the derivative of cosine squared of x cubed here. So the first thing I'm going to do is rewrite this guy. I'm going to say cosine of x cubed and then that whole thing squared. Okay, so we have a function within a function within a function. So there's three functions here. Okay, so we're going to look at the outermost function first, just this guy, cosine of x cubed squared, and we're going to do the power rule and take out the 2 out front. Okay, so when we're taking the derivative, we'll take a 2 out front. We're going to get cosine of x cubed, and then we're going to do 2 minus 1, so now there's a 1 up here. Okay, now we do the chain rule though. So now we take the derivative, forgot the parentheses in here. Now we're going to do the derivative of the inner function, which is cosine of x cubed. The derivative of that is negative sine of x cubed. Okay, but there's a function within that function. There's an x cubed there still. So we have to do the chain rule again. So it's going to be the derivative of x cubed is 3x squared using the power rule. All right, so if we simplified this, we would get negative 6x squared. I'm going to write the sign first. Sine of x cubed. And then cosine of x cubed. Now, depending on the answer, they may simplify it further. I'm noticing here that we have a sine of an angle and then a cosine of an angle, and then we can put a 2 easily out front of that. So if we did sine, 2 sine of x cubed, cosine of x cubed. Okay, and then we're left with, and I took a 2 out of the 6 here, we're left with a negative 3x squared out front. Okay, so this whole thing here is actually a double angle formula. So then if we simplify it, we still have that negative 3x squared out front. And then this here is going to be sine of twice the angle here using the double angle formula, which I'll write up here. Sine of 2 theta equals 2 sine of theta cosine of theta. Okay, so that's a formula, a double angle formula. All right, so we're going to use that here. In this case, theta is x cubed. So if we're going to go from right to left here, we're going to times it by 2. So it's going to be 2x cubed. All right, so depending on how they want their answer, this could be your answer, or the above, this guy right here could also be a good answer depending on what the multiple choice responses are. All right, thanks Ryan for using SnapMath, and look forward to hearing from you soon.